There was a time when we couldn't see hope, when darkness, pain, and struggle were all we knew. For as long as we can remember, life has tested us. Wars, disasters, disease, loss. Over and over, we have faced things that seemed impossible to survive. But somehow, every time, we did. When the world felt like it was ending, humans found a way to go on. And even in the darkest hours, we managed to find light. Think of the earliest people. No homes, no real shelter, no comfort. They fought just to survive each day, to find enough food, to stay warm. They were lost in a world much bigger than they understood, and yet they did not give up. They learned to build, to hunt, to protect each other. They found hope in each other and carried on. Fast forward through time, our challenges only grew. We faced plagues that took millions, wars that tore us apart, disasters that shattered entire cities. So many moments where it looked like humanity might finally break. So many times, people thought we couldn't possibly recover. But each time, we rebuilt. It's hard to say what it is that drives us forward, what makes us refuse to stay down. Maybe it's our will to see another day. Maybe it's the dream that things can get better, even if we don't see it ourselves. Or maybe it's the need to keep moving for the people we care about, the people who can't go on without us. Humans, the unstoppable. No matter what happens, we keep pushing forward. We learn from each scar, each loss, each failure. When we fall, we find a way to rise again. And we rise, not as individuals, but together. Think of the big moments in history, the wars, the revolutions, the discoveries. Each one came from people standing up, people who refused to let hardship destroy them. And now here we are, still facing challenges, some as old as time, some brand new. Poverty, climate change, diseases, inequality. The problems feel endless, the weight feels too heavy. But if history has shown us anything, it's that we are resilient. We are unstoppable. So the next time you feel defeated, remember who we are. We're humans. We are survivors, dreamers, builders. We fall, but we get back up. We break, but we heal. Our story isn't a perfect one, and maybe it never will be. But it's our story, full of hope, pain, courage, and love. As long as there's one of us still standing, there's a reason to keep going. Because we are unstoppable.